Wow, that's so fast. I thought it's so gonna be long. And by the way, where's your back spike? Whatever that called. I'm sorry, I don't know. Next time I'm gonna put on next year. Next year, I promise. Fine, you're past. Yay, thank you. So, who you gonna first pick? I'm gonna pick... please not me. I only have 2 spikes. Oh my god, what the I'm so freaking ready, bitch. I'm ready. I'm ready, kind of. I'm gonna choose Titus. Let's go! Okay, chill out, man. Excited with this! Yeah! I'm gonna start with the spikes. Damn, that's kinda fast. And anyway, the deployment sound is kinda weird. But you're past. Let's go! Woo! Ow! Man! Oh my gosh, here we go again. Ah! My freaking radar! Help, I'm stuck! I'm stuck! Oh my god. Come on! My radar! Which next I'm gonna pick? Aha! Hey, SR1. Come on, man! Come on! Show us your deployment or gonna suspended. Fine. First, the airbags. Now the spikes. I didn't expect that. That's so good. It's so smooth, man. You're super fast. You're getting A in the exam soon. Wait, really? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Are you sure that's it? Are you sure? Is this true? Yeah, it's true. Oh my god, sir. Thank you. Yay! My mom and dad is gonna be happy. 2 left. I will pick Dom 3. Me next? Okay. Excuse me. I will start with the airbags too. Spikes. I'm sorry, Tiv 2. I can only deploy on dirt. I'm sorry. That's fine. You're fast anyway. I mean fast. Thank you so much, sir. Wait, what, sir? Nah, I'm sir, not sir. Ow, I'm sorry. Last is Viv. Okay, I'm the last, I guess. I'm gonna start with my airbags too.
Itong kwarto na to, ito na gagawin nating storage.
I'm sorry, Tiv 2. I can only deploy as well on dirt. That's fine. You're past too anyway. Thank you so much. While they teaching, let's check and read some comments on the part 1 of the What If Interceptors Hub School. Okay? Oh no, no. Stop. So, I'm gonna speak my own language for this. Bisaya ka ba, bro? No, I'm not Bisaya. But a little. But I'm speak Tagalog, not Bisaya. Okay, next. Kabisayaan. Oh my God, I'm not Bisaya. No. I said no. No. I hate this. I hate this. Super hating this. And this is the part 2, I guess. Someone asking. Someone asking already. I'm gonna answer that later. So let's continue the school. So let's talk about how to intercept a tornado. That's interesting. You're true. Though 7. Yes, sir. Yeah, though Tiv 2, I mean. Yeah, I know. We didn't forget that. That's earlier. Yeah, we don't remember that. Just kidding. I remember that earlier. Yeah, same. Same either. So guys, this is how to deploy ourselves. Imagine, this is the tornado. The rotation. The tornado is coming touchdown. And you need to deploy ourselves. Like, there we go. My spike is go down. That's how it to intercept a tornado. While we intercept, it's like oh, it's recess time, guys. See you in free time.